So now we shall do the 5-year calculation also quickly. So 5 years would probably be 1st April 2015. So we stopped at 1st October 2015. So 1st April 2015 should be our 5 years data. So how many trading days? We have 1,267 trading days. And I think the average is 0.02%. Two 53 trading days again, multiplied by 253.4. That is 5.31% past 5 years of volatility. Yes, now last 6 years. Just give me a moment. I will just put my laptop on charge. Yes, we are back. Now, finally, for 5.5 years and for 6 years. That's it, and we'll be done. 5.5 years would be 1st October 2014. We have 1,387 trading sessions here. The average as per Excel is 0.03%. Again, around 253 trading sessions. And the final volatility calculation, past 6 years. Okay, so it's coming around 1.76% for the last year. Let me see if there was any significant event that made our data a little skewed. Okay, there don't seem to be much volatility if we consider the 6th year data. So, all right. 6th year, there don't seem to be any much volatility. Now, here the assumption is that you have done a study of the comparability of the companies. The comparability is something that we have to use as our own professional judgment to arrive at it. Here in this present example, I've just assumed that there is a comparability. That I have a chat question. Check 30th May and 31st May. Avinash ji, only one company is sufficient, but it has to be a good comparable. Okay, let me just go ahead and complete this. Um, so we have these volatilities with us: 5.75, 6.77, 5.31%, 6.44, and 1.76%. All right. In your Excel calculators, the one assumption that was made in these Excel calculators are there's only single rate of volatility. So what I would request you all to do is just go to each sheet and type in the volatilities. So the binomial first is our this calculator, by the way, has both binomial option values as per both binomial as well as per Black-Scholes models. So we'll have to input these values in both the places. So in the first vesting period number one, just go to the volatility and link your sheet. Can link it under volatility. Yes, sir. I will look into that, considering the last year as just the 1/6 of it. Let us just input the volatilities now. Volatility for second vesting period also just input it. So 6.77%. For the third period also, please input for the fourth period. We do not have any more sheets for the fifth period, so I request you all to just copy binomial vesting period 4 and binomial BSM vesting period 4, and request you to just do move or copy and create a copy and move to end. Just do this exercise quickly and you'll have an error. It is okay. Just please uh, keep on pressing yes, because I've used a lot of macros, and just rename your sheets to vesting period 5. And for vesting period 5 as well, just take your respect. The volatility for the last vesting period. So let me just calculate the volatility for the sixth year. I just want to understand why there was so much deviation in volatility. So these are the practical problems that we face when we are doing valuations. So 15, 16, sorry, 14, 15. I think the number of trading days was less here. That is the reason why this problem is occurring. So the daily volatility is actually quite high. Sorry, this is yearly volatility. So let me just make a weightage so that for the last year we do not have a skewed data. I'll give this a weightage of 1 and give the weightage of fifth year weightage as 2. And find out a quick average. So I shall be taking, based on weighted average of fifth and sixth year, I'll be taking 7.019% as the last year weightage because there was an anomaly in the data. Okay, so it's pretty much around those figures. You can see 7%, 6%, 5%. So those are the ranges. And I request you all to make these volatility symbols positive only. Only then these Excel formula will work. So don't take negative volatilities.